To automatically change the lock screen clock color based on wallpaper on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, you have to set the color adapted from wallpaper option as the lock screen clock color. To do so, tap on an empty area on your home screen and then tap wallpaper and style. Tap the lock screen thumbnail. Next, tap the clock. Under font and color section, look for the leftmost color option, which appears as a small circle with the letter A inside. Select this icon to enable automatic color adaptation based on wallpaper. Now tap Done button to save the change. To see the result, go to your lock screen. As you can see, your lock screen clock color will now adjust based on wallpaper. By enabling this feature, your phone will automatically adjust the lock screen clock color to complement your wallpaper. This ensures better visibility and an aesthetically pleasing look without needing manual change. This feature works best when you are using multiple wallpapers, such as photo collection or dynamic lock screen wallpapers, allowing the clock color adapt seamlessly to its background. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.